immaculate condition, inside and out. Gently driven, low miles. A real garage baby. Feeling cramped? This vehicle has all the room you need for you and your family. This vehicle comes with a factory-certified warranty that's better than if you bought it new. Don Davis Auto Group also provides you with free tire and wheel protection as well as edge protection with every purchase. We've been selling new and used cars in Arlington for over 30 years. Come in and see why Don Davis has so many repeat and referral customers in the Tarrant County area. Our goal is to help you find the right car, at the right price, and provide you with a worry-free ownership experience. You can feel confident in your purchase when you buy from Don Davis Auto Group. We are located at the corner of Road to Six Flags and the 360 Service Road. Let us show you how easy it is to purchase from us.